Let's make a real quick chart using Infogram. First, what you have to do is click over here on the little chart icon. I'm going to go down and make a bar graph. I click Insert. This gives me the bar graph template that I don't want, so I'm going to double click on it, which opens up this data. So I'm going to get rid of this 2020, which is actually this little panel here. If I click on that, so I can add like 2 charts in one if I wanted to, but I don't want to for this. So I'm going to come over to the data. I'm just going to delete that. And let's see, this is how many ducks each person has. So Steve, Mary, and Silona. What a nice name. They each have ducks. I don't need this data. I want to get rid of this. And so I just deleted it. Steve has 5 ducks. Mary has 1 duck. And Silona has 9 ducks. So this will be, oops, that's a big number. She has 9 ducks. There we go. So this is my chart. I can click on the chart here, and that gets rid of that little bar. So this is my chart. I can make it different sizes if I want to. By clicking on it, I can resize it, and then everything inside the chart resizes. One nice thing is I can color these as well. So I can double click it again, and that's going to open up this data. And then this little color thing here, I can just click on the color and make that one that color. Click on this color and make that one blue. And click on this color and make this one a prettier shade of green. Nice and bright. There we go. That looks a lot better. And then I can even change this stuff here. If I go over to where it says settings, I can change the text and the font size. I can go down here to, well, chart properties. And then I can scroll down to where it says fonts. And then I can change the font size. And there's all sorts of different things I can do. So this is a very quick idea of how to make a chart. And of course, this automatically saves on your project. So it's already saved and I can share it. And good luck. This should help you out.